Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm a little out of it today, you guys. I woke up with some acne. I have a long morning before I go to work today, and I think I'm just gonna start the morning off with a nice hydrating face mask because I need to be able to take on the world today. So we'll start there. I'm a Colgate kind of girl. I do not like Crest toothpaste. I just feel like it's not strong enough no matter what I do. So I usually wash my face with a peroxide wash, but today I'm going to go ahead with this Pericone MD. This is a relaxing face wash. While my face is still wet, I'm gonna go ahead with this 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. So it smells like pumpkins and fall. And it also has a little bit of a scrub in there. So as you see, I'm turning red. So pretty much I just massaged this onto my face for like about the last 3 to 4 minutes, and now I'm just gonna let it sit on my face for like 10 minutes while I prep some stuff in the kitchen before I hop in the shower. I just went and preheated my oven to 350. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut my potatoes. These are my home fries going in the oven. Give them a 30-minute timer. I am running a little late to work. I need to go fix my nails with Angelica because that night I didn't dry my thumbs well, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix them. Meanwhile, I wait for my fiance to come pick me up. I'm gonna go ahead and tone. I'm using the Deep Sweep Pore Cleansing Toner by Pharmacy. And if you guys know skincare, you know Pharmacy got you, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and evenly tone out my skin. This is always a great feeling. This is what like your tissue should look like after a toner, fully white. If it doesn't, girl, you're not removing it well. Just want you guys to take a look at my skin. She's giving. I'm gonna go ahead and hydrate my skin. So pretty much the reason why I'm doing all of these hydrating things to my skin is because it is 33 degrees in New York City, and it is really cold, really drying. This is the kind of weather that will over dry your skin. So I really am just trying to keep it hydrated because nobody wants to be walking around all dry. Like, especially me. I have to extra hydrate normally because I don't have a normal stomach. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. But this hydrating mist is absolutely everything. And I also use it as a setting spray sometimes. But because, like I said, I'm on the drier end, I would never recommend that to an oily girl. I'm gonna go ahead now and moisturize my skin. And now I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, New Yorker running how moisturize my lips. I'm gonna go ahead and take some cheese and lay it all over me. If your eggs are not like fluffy or like you doing it right, I don't think so. I also didn't like fully scramble them today like I usually would, like if I'm making an omelet or something. Now my home fries are ready and the eggs.
I bought the phone and the cup thing too.
Thank you, honey. What's the occasion, love?
Love.
I love you. You guys, look at how beautiful. My honey just got me these beautiful flowers. You guys, I really just love my man because, like, this is really just because, like, I'm gonna take these out and put these in water until I get back and I can actually organize them because I am running super late. I don't want to leave my house. I just want to stare at them. Like, this was such a pleasant surprise, you guys. Like I said, I was just a little bummed out this morning, so I was doing some extra moisturizing skincare, and there goes my man being my man. I love him. He is so sweet. They're so beautiful. Like, I can't get over these colors. I love my bar. I love my flowers. Wow.
I get the bitch out of G-Total walk. Yeah, I jump on these beats and I walk. Slide, keep on sliding, walk. All day, keep on down, walk. Spin around, walk. Stuck down, walk. Hellcat came with a sauce. Switch out on me, must be lost. Pay to be cold at the boss. Get the paint, baby, it glows. Your bitch in here, she getting toast.
So, I feel like there's certain things you should just vlog, right? So, you guys, I don't know if you've noticed in all my vlogs, but I've been home alone all these days. My fiance was in California. Right now, the car was parked up for like about a week. You know, your girl doesn't drive just yet. Hint, hint. Your girl's getting her life together real soon. Long story short, we ran out of gas. As we're approaching the gas station, literally. So that's the gas station right there. So you can see the little sign right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in for you guys. I would zoom in for you guys, but my camera's acting up right now. But pretty much it is right there. I've never really noticed how bad my eyebrow lady got my eyebrow this month. Like, what is that about? We're gonna have to have a
never happened. This has never happened before. Like, I'm just so grateful that we were literally almost at the gas station because, oh man. But anyways, I'm laughing about it now, but this freaking bitch just came up to me It was like, I'm calling a tow truck. Because I was here for like 10 fucking minutes. And I'm telling her that I have no gas. And I'm at a bus station. And the bus came and picked up his people with no fucking problem. 10 ages later. We just opened up this little shit so that he can figure out how to do it. Because it is a lot harder than we thought. And he's never gone through this before, my little baby. And we're here, you know, late as ever. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. But luckily, it's just an easy fix. Just got to Angelica's house, and Good Sis is holding it down. Good Sis is holding it down, being quick. And my man's waiting for me downstairs so he can drop me off at work. He is the freaking best, because the way I was just doing Cabot, like, there's no problem. But, hey, you wanna take me? Take me back. Yeah, I remember day night. I came over here and I had brought my Uggs. So, I'm taking my babies back with me. Anyways, my nails are really fixed. And I'm really happy about it. Angelica, you are a goddess, sweetheart. A walking goddess. Before I head to work, I'm going to... Alright, I'm gonna eat good. You guys, see? Puppy, you wanna try? It's hot, be careful. Really hot.
Nom 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 nom.
This shit's so good.
Oh, geez.
So you guys, literally, what me and my man do is that taste the food and then he eats the rest. I'm gonna go eat. Bye. Right now I'm on my lunch break. I just had some of a slice. This is all I got to eat today from that slice. And then I did get a lot of this Snapple in, as you can see. I was just really craving a nice cold sweet drink, so I got me a strawberry kiwi. Can never go wrong with a strawberry kiwi. Come on, girl. Babe just picked me up from work and I'm about to head home. I'm debating if I should cook dinner for my man. If I do make something, I'm kind of in the mood for like barbecue wings. I love a good New York City hood around Christmas. Listen, love it. The streets just be freaking jolly and shit. My mother sent over some pillows, so we got some new pillows tonight. Daddy, you hear that? I'm obsessed with how like cozy these gifts are making my house feel, and I don't even have a tree up. By the way, you guys, do you think I should get a tree? And yes, I know I'm gonna change the colors on these really soon. This was definitely, you know, November vibes, that I added a little, you know, touch of yellow in there. But it's definitely time I switched that up, for sure. My man. He got me my watch from the jeweler, and I'm so happy it finally fits. You guys, my watch was literally dancing on my wrist because I did lose 80 pounds. So... but look at how good my nails look, how fire my watch look. I'm so excited. And it's extra icy because it's extra clean. I love it. Look at what they've done to the poor French. It's her channel now.
It's my channel now. This is my channel. Come see me.
You guys, so we are sipping someone. I probably would never do a kitchen haul, but I am gonna show you my favorite kitchen gadget, and go get you one of these. You see this right here? This right here is my favorite. This is my rice dispenser. Like, this right here is my best friend, okay? So pretty much you just go ahead and dispense your rice. And it holds up to 20 pounds of rice. Gotta be time for it to be, you know. Ooh. Yeah, this is gonna be some good ass rice. Watch. So now I am going ahead and preheating my oven to... I'm gonna preheat this shit to like 450. To be honest, we need some nice and
cooked wings. Experience this with me, kind of go ahead. I realized I was being silly. Like, I don't do this all the time, by the way. This is my favorite sauce, like my favorite. Now that I've completed that side, I'm gonna go ahead and flip my wings. You know we gotta show love to the other side, because we can't just leave them all one-sided there. You know, I love me my rice to be nice and juicy. This is like food for like days. I don't know why. I don't know if I get this from my mama, but I be making food for like a whole family. I make so much food all the time. Like, did y'all see how many wings I made? Did you guys see how much rice I made? It's only me and my man. And this is going to be put away in the fridge. I mean, I'm going to take some to work. He'll eat some tomorrow. But like, I'm still like, you know, we still don't have it around for that long. Here is the best feeling in the world. So these are the wings out of the oven. This is the macaroni salad out of the freezer. Guys, dinner is served.
Eating good, girl. He be eating good.
And I have our favorite TV show to catch up on. So have a good night, guys.